Hi friends, welcome back to this channel. My name is Seema. So guys, I was going to bath. Then I thought, no, first of all I will shoot video. After that I will bath. So guys, today weather is a very good. Have a sunshine, full of sunshine today. So that's why I will do my all work today. What was in pending, and I will bath properly today because I didn't bath yesterday because yesterday weather was not good and I was feeling cold. Then I didn't bath. So guys, I'm feeling cold because I have lots of goosebumps because I feel like I have cold slightly. So I have heated water. Now I have to bath. And guys, I think you may see that what I applied in my hair. I applied onion and curry leaves after grinding. So doing my all home chores, I will go in field because today's weather good na, so that's why I will enjoy there because I like greenery and I will go there. I will enjoy there. So but before going there, I have lots of work at home because many work is in pending. Because of severing cold, my many work is in pending. Uh, are you looking? Peacock. He's staring me. He's staring me. I think he will bite me. So guys, it may be I will. If I go there, I will sort in field and I will upload that video also. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my video, so like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.